Hello students, let us continue with English chapter 3.2 Compare a program. In the last session, we have seen the points such as getting ready for program, arrival of the dignitaries, commencement of the program, lighting of the lamp and welcome and introduction of the guest. Let us see now introductory speech. To appraise you about the art festival, I request the principal, respected Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi to deliver his introductory speech. To appraise about the art festival, the compere requests the principal, Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi, to deliver his introductory speech. Book release. Friends, we have prepared here a volume comprising photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed today in the auditorium. They are the artistic and skillful contributions from our students. I request the chief guest to release this special book on this occasion and formally inaugurate the art festival. Thank you, sir. I know this has aroused curiosity in you to see the exhibition. After this program, you can take that pleasure. Students, the principal, that is Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi, tells about their students' artistic and skillful contribution of a volume comprising photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed in auditorium. The principal requests the chief guest, Dr. Charudatta Diwan, to release this special book and inaugurate the art festival. Next, that is cultural program. I know you all are eagerly waiting to listen to the gems of music from our school. We now invite this talented band of musicians to display their talent. We proudly present the Tal Kacheri. Sahil House Standard 10th A will give a vocal rendition and the same piece will be demonstrated on different instruments. Let's enjoy the Tal Kacheri. Varsha on Mridangam, Vivek on Dholak, Zubin on Tabla and Govind on Ghatam. Let us have a big round of applause for the excellent demonstration. Different states display their unique identity through their respective culture. Standard 7C will now give a beautiful presentation of the famous Koli dance from Maharashtra. What a wonderful presentation. Now a light comedy play will be presented by Standard 9th C. I would like to request Standard 9th artists to perform their play. The Boy Comes Home by A. Milne. That was indeed a fantastic performance. In the cultural program, the school present Tal Kacheri. Sahil of Standard 10th A gave a vocal rendition and the same piece was demonstrated on different instruments. Varsha on Mridangam, Vivek on Dholak, Zubin on Tabla and Govind on Ghatam. Standard 7th C gave a beautiful presentation of the famous Koli dance from Maharashtra. 9th C played a light comedy, The Boy Comes Home. Prize distribution. You are all eagerly waiting for the prize distribution. There are butterflies in our stomachs. You will soon be relieved of your anxiety. Everyone is unique in his or her potential. All are talented, yes, but some do perform better and the talent needs to be appreciated. I will now invite the chief guest to declare the prize winners and give away the prizes for the different categories of arts. Thank you, sir. After the next was the event for which we are always eagerly waiting with butterflies in our stomach, that is prize distribution. The chief guest Charudatta Diwan declare and give away the prizes for the different categories of art. Next, that is address by the chief guest. I will now request our illustrious chief guest to address the audience. Thank you, sir. Your speech has given us wonderful insights on various aspects of art and culture. We are immensely grateful to you for your invaluable words of enlightenment. The chief guest, that is Dr. Charudatta Diwan, gave a speech to the audience and in his speech he gave wonderful insights on various aspects of art and culture. Vote of thanks. Before we draw the curtain, I take the opportunity to thank all those who have lent a helping hand to make this art festival meaningful. And for the formal vote of thanks, I invite the convener of this program, our art teacher, Miss Shilpa Sanghani.